Guys, today I'm going to show you how to create this amazing, not amazing, but how to put a transparent subscribe button animation inside your videos in Davinci Resolve. And it's amazing, actually. So don't worry, because you don't have to make the subscribe animation inside Davinci. It's just like footage of, and it's very easy. So come on, and let's jump into Davinci and let's get started. Okay, so I'm in Davinci Resolve and I've dragged my clip onto the timeline. And this is a clip of me, my family, me and my distant cousins 2 years ago on New Year's Eve dancing to an Indian song called Ulukapata. Leave a link in the description for that, and it doesn't matter if you're American or Indian, still like. So anyways, back to the video. So now let's drag in our subscribe button animation over here, and I made this thing on PowerPoint instead of just getting footage. Like, you are all familiar with the guys. So and I made it by watching a tutorial step by step. By watching a tutorial by Rohan and Roseanne TV. I'll leave a link for it in the description below. Now, anyways, once you've dragged it onto the timeline, I'm actually just gonna drag it to next video over here, but not connected. You know why? Because when you put it on top of the video, then the video will get cut, because I'm gonna cut the parts not needed. So if you put it on top of the video will also get cut, and you don't want that. So when you drag it to an empty space, then it'll cut individually. So that's exactly what you want. So I'm gonna scroll to my arrow keys. So these are the same left and right arrow keys on the keyboard. Now, I'm gonna find the part where I want to cut. So there is the part I want to cut. So I'm gonna hit Control B on the keyboard to cut. You can also use this blade tool, but Control B is the shortcut. Now delete the cut, but before you do that, just play through by dragging your playhead on that. Because, yeah. Now, there we go. So delete the cut, and then just drag it back to where you want it to be. Drag the playhead back over here too. And I like it over here. Now, give your animation a click and jump into the color tab. Now, once you're in the color tab, you can make sure that you're on the right clip by opening the clips section. And make sure you're on the green screen animation clip. You can also open the timeline section to do the same. So this is your big clip, and this is your green screen animation. Now just close the timeline, and let's start creating it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the green background, so it can be transparent, and it can go in the video with no background, such as green. So go to the qualifier tab and make sure you select this picker tool, not the others, but this one, and pick the green color. Now, you can select the highlighter tool or the magic wand. Seriously, it looks like a magic wand. But select the highlighter tool, and as you can see, it shows the opposite of what we want. So we'll just go over here, click on invert. Now it gives us a gray background instead of a black, but it's okay, because when you move it, it just changes to green, so do nothing else. So right over there. Now, once you've done that, what we're gonna do is add an alpha output. So right click on the empty space, add alpha output. Now drag the blue square to the blue circle. And now just uncheck the highlighter or a magic wand tool. And it'll load in a while. So now it'll get inside the video, as you can see here. So now what we're gonna do is mask it. That's the third step. So open Windows tab and open the power window tab. Open power window with this thing, and make sure you're in the power windows tab like so. And let's select the rectangular linear mask. Now you can also use the pen tool to mask, but this one is much more quicker and I like it. And you can make it long and extend it, and we'll go through. I'll just play it to go through it. So as you can see, it does come. So that's good. I know it doesn't come clear, but once we export it, it will be clear. So now we can't position it over here because that just removes the whole thing. Now this mask looks a bit rough. Now, so we're gonna mask. So we're gonna change. So go down to the softness section below transform, and we're gonna change the 4 softnesses up to only 1. So that means we're gonna change soft 1, soft 2, soft 3, soft 4 up to 1. So do 1. Sorry about that. 1, 0, 0. And over here, 1. Also keep hitting the tab key on the keyboard to make it like quicker to go to the next one. Now, as you can see, we've changed it to 1, and there's not much difference, but it's just, I'm just doing that so it gets just a bit more soft. Now, the color tab is done for now, so go to edit tab. Now, just the last, we have to do just one more thing. So the last thing we have to do is change the position to wherever you want. So select the subscribe button and open the inspector tab and change the position. Go down to the position section and transform. So you can move the X and Y position and control it. And I'm just gonna move it down with the Y position. And over here, move it in a bit up. There we go. So then, I'm just gonna drag the playhead around. It immediately pops up. It doesn't pop up, but it comes, and then the subscribe stuff comes. So it's very clear. But once we export it, it will be fine. And that's done for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification to get the best tutorials of tech tutorials. Also give a like to this, and bye-bye. I'll see you soon.